Welcome guys and thanks for watching my video. Guys, the perfect world is the next metaverse token in the cryptocurrency world. Guys, when you see the price of the perfect world token is recently launched token and it's the next metaverse token. According to my analysis, I study this token and it's a good, and they are releasing their game also in 2022 start. Now they have officially launched on CMC, and its price you see gradually increasing and increasing. I will buy this token on Trust Wallet, and I will show you how you can buy this token easily using your Trust Wallet. And I like this token, so that's why I'm buying this token. So you see the trading volume in 24 hours is 2 million almost, and this is the token, and 37% up in the last day. Before starting the video, I request you please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. I upload mostly the new coin videos that are most profitable in the few months or the years. And guys, many people are facing the gas issue problems on the pancake swap while they are swapping. Here you can watch my popular video from my channel and fix your gas fees issue problems. So let's start how you can buy the perfect world token using your Trust Wallet account. First of all, you have to open your Trust Wallet account, guys. Here, when you open the Trust Wallet account, click on the D app button. When you open the D app button, click on the pancakeswap.finance website. When you open the website, this interface will appear, and with the BNB smart chain BNB, you can buy easily the perfect world token. Here I want to spend 0.002 or 0.003 BNB. I will purchase this with the 0.002 BNB. Here I have to select the currency, the perfect world. Here this will not appear. I have to paste the contract address of that token. Here, go to the CoinMarketCap website and copy that contract address and then paste on this. When you paste this, you see the perfect world token will appear here. Click on the import button, then click on the I understand, and then click on the import. Here you see a lot of millions of tokens I will buy with this BNB. Click on the swap button, price updated, confirm swap. So my smart call will be executed. So you see the network fees will be $0.86, and my total maximum will be spent here is $2.11. So guys, when you change the amount of the coin, I will purchase this token with 0.001 BNB and click on the swap button, confirm swap. It's up to you how much money you want to spend here. You see the my network fees will be increased 0.05%, and my maximum total will be spent here $1.52 here. So I want to confirm this token. Here click on the approve button. Here you see my smart contract call is executed, and when you see on the Binance scan, when the smart call will be executed, it will appear here a successful transaction. You see guys, here you can check here the status is successfully, and the block number is this, and the 27 seconds ago from this wallet to this contract address I will purchase. So let's check where is my token now. Here, when the token is not showing, you have to add manually. Click on the here top dot corner, click here the contract address of your token and add custom token. Here on the network, select Binance Smart Chain, then paste the contract address. Here you see the perfect world, and the symbol will appear here, and decimal automatically will be selected. Click on the done button. You see my token will appear here, and these are the tokens which are being paid. You see in my Trust Wallet the count will and the token is appeared here. The price is not updated yet because it's a new coin. You have to purchase first, and with the passage of time they updated their price and the price will be boom. So thank you guys.